guys, today I'll be making Hyderabadi chicken Dum Biryani. If you want the ingredients, check the description box below. Add bay leaf, cinnamon stick, cloves, cardamom. And add chili powder, coriander powder, ginger garlic paste, and garam masala. Mix well. Add coriander leaves and mint leaves and mix. Add salt for taste, then mix. Add lime juice, then mix. Add oil. Mix well. You should get a paste. Once you have a paste, add your chicken. Mix it well and cover all the spots with the chicken. It should be coated finely. Then add Shan Biryani Masala. You can use and make your own homemade one, but this is the one that we prefer and it's mostly recommended. Mix it well. Add yogurt. Mix it well. Now we need to keep the chicken marinated for half an hour. Fry onions until they're brown. Place chicken on stove and put on medium heat. Keep rice soaked for 15 minutes. Add saffron to milk. Mix it up a little bit. You'll mix it later in the end of this recipe. Add water to a pan and put it on boiling. Add bay leaf, cardamom, cloves, and SHAHJEERA. Add enough salt so the water tastes salty. Mix well. Add oil once boiling. Add soaked rice to the boiling water. Once rice is 60 to 70% cooked, then take out the rice with a strain. Sprinkle rice on the chicken. You can lay chicken and rice in multiple layers alternately. Sprinkle fried onion. You can also add coriander leaves and ghee on the top. Mix your saffron milk, then drizzle your saffron milk. Preheat oven at 350 degrees. Cover with foil to prevent heat loss. Keep in oven for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take off the foil. Use a spoon and make sure rice is cooked. If not cooked, put it back.